If your Claude Desktop app feels limited or slow, it is likely because you are stuck using the basic consumer version without access to the deeper technical tools. You are currently missing out on the ability to inspect logs, debug your local setups, and use the full power of the Claude desktop environment. I am going to show you exactly how to unlock the hidden developer mode in just a few clicks. And if you stick around until the end, I will show you one specific setting in this menu that prevents the app from crashing when you are running heavy data tasks. The reason this mode is hidden by default is quite simple. It acts like the engine room of a ship. Most people just want to sit on the deck and enjoy the view, so the developers hide the complex controls to keep the interface clean and prevent casual users from accidentally breaking their connection settings. However, once you start using Claude for more than just basic chat, you need these tools to see what is happening under the hood. To get started, open your Claude Desktop app and look at the top left corner of your screen. You will see three horizontal lines, which represent the main menu. Click that, and a drop-down list will appear. Move your mouse down to the Help section. Instead of just clicking it, hover over it so the secondary menu slides out. From here, you need to find the Troubleshooting option. This is where all the advanced maintenance tools live. Once you hover over Troubleshooting, a third menu will open up to the right. In this final list, look toward the middle section. You will see an option that says Enable Developer Mode. Go ahead and click that. Zoe might notice the app flicker for a split second as it refreshes the interface to include the new tools. Now, when you look through your settings or right-click certain elements, you will have much more control over how the app handles your requests and data. Now for that pro tip I mentioned earlier. While you are in that same troubleshooting menu, look right below the developer mode toggle. You will see an option to disable hardware acceleration. If you ever notice Claude lagging or turning your screen black when you have too many browser tabs open, come back here and check this box. It forces the app to stop competing with your graphics card, which makes the entire experience much smoother on older laptops or during heavy multitasking. You are now set up to use Claude like a power user. Turn it on, explore the logs, and enjoy a much more transparent workflow.